Alright guys, if you are getting prints that look like this here, you can see a whole bunch of missing color, just tiny lines. This is a pretty bad case for me. This printer has been sitting without use for a little bit, and the print heads on the ink cartridges have dried up. So let me show you what I do to resolve that problem. If you look here on the screen, it shows that my ink cartridges are full. So there should be plenty of ink inside of them. It hasn't been too long. It's been about 2 months since I last used this printer, and that shouldn't dry up the ink or ruin it inside of it. For me, that usually indicates that I need to clean the print heads. And on this particular model, this is the HP DeskJet 2827e, which is basically a 2800E series printer. There's a lot of different models such as 2855, I believe, 2810 that are same. So any HP DeskJet 2800E series printer. First of all, let's go ahead and remove ink cartridges. Open this front cover, make sure the printer is on, and the ink cartridges should slide over here. And we're going to go ahead and press down, remove the black ink cartridge and the color, and let's just go ahead and close that for now. So here the ink cartridges, they don't seem to have any damage over here, and they look pretty good here. So to me, it indicates that it kind of just dried up, and we can clear that up real quick here. I have this printhead cleaning solution I got on Amazon, and I'll put the link down in the description below. I also use Windex with warm water to unclog the dried up print heads, but this solution works very well for me. This kit, it also includes like printhead cleaning syringe and tubing to, you know, clean the print heads, not the ink cartridges, but this I'm going to use for clearing up the nozzles on these ink cartridges here. So what I'm going to do is get a paper towel and then put some solution on it like so, and we're just going to tap each ink cartridge right over the solution like so. You see I can get a really nice stamp that cleared up whatever was dried up here. So if I put the stamp over the dry area, it seems pretty good. That's really good for me. So I'll do that. Then for the black one as well, seems like both of the ink cartridges are affected because I didn't see any color but the cyan. Same here. And you may also want to shake the cartridges a little bit. Okay, and it's putting out a really good stamp. If you don't see a good ink stamp right away, what you can also do, and I'll do that as well, let's put them over a paper towel, and we can just put a few drops of the solution right over the nozzles. Okay. And I would just let that sit, and you can see it goes in. So that means the nozzle is getting cleared up. You can just let that sit for a little bit, or, you know, kind of take care of it right away. I don't think these, like I said, it's only been about a couple months since I didn't, you know, turned the printer on last. So this looks good for me. If you have any solution or water over here, make sure it's dry before you put this into the printer. There we go. A really good, all three colors are here. So let's go ahead and put this back into the printer. One thing that I want to mention also is if you put this back into the printer and you're not getting the results you want, you can always put this into a dish, put a little bit of solution on there, and just let the print heads or the cartridges sit in that solution for a few hours. That'll remove any dried up ink over here. All right, let's go ahead and put the cartridges back in. So color on the left, the black one goes on the right. Cover the door. Now we can go ahead and press the I button for information and print some report. So hold it down for about 3 seconds and it'll start printing the report. Okay, and we have a beautiful printout. Looks like all colors look very good. So this is just our wireless setup guide printed out. Looks like the cyan and the black are really good. Let me print a quality report real quick. Let's go ahead and print the status report, which is going to show our ink levels and things like that. So we're going to press and hold the X button for about 3 seconds. And then as soon as you hear the printer start doing something, let go of the button and it prints the status report. And this is what it looks like. There we go. You can see a little bit of black needs either printhead cleaning. You can do that from the app, or just do the same thing we did right now. And you can just see a little bit missing right here. So I did another quick clean, and you can see it does a perfect test right here. So if you're not able to clear up your ink cartridges, the next thing that I suggest is just getting new ink cartridges. And that's kind of a benefit of these printers, is that the printhead is built into the ink cartridge. So when you're replacing the ink cartridge, you're getting a new printhead. And I'll put the link down in the description below of an aftermarket that I use, and it's good. The only downside is that you may not get the ink level displayed, and sometimes you can. So it's about $30 for a high capacity set for black and a tricolor cartridge. That's on Amazon, and there's others available on eBay as well. So I'll put the link down in the description below just to kind of help you out if you want to save some money versus buying a high capacity ink set that is HP. If you have the ink subscription, that's something that you should just definitely call or contact your ink subscription and tell HP that you're having print quality issues, and they should be able to send you a replacement cartridge. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. The solution that I used, you don't have to buy it if your warm water or Windex, for example, works for you. For your convenience, I do have the links down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my other YouTube videos on this printer model or other ones. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.